So yeah, this is a pretty cool tool. Instead of having to vacuum it all down, you just screw that with the new core, open up the ball valve, push it in gently, keep pressure behind it, and get that thing seated. Not too tight, just tight. Get this back out of there, shut off the valve, and new SCHRADER. Pretty neat. Darth Vader, new SCHRADER.
Okay, where's the
Yeah, this is the one with the small. There we go. That'll keep it from leaking too. And then this one's tight. Job done.